Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing microingredients vitamin D3 plus K2, a supplement that claims to support heart health, bone strength, and immune function. We've been taking this daily, and here's what we experience. The idea behind pairing vitamin D3 and K2 is smart. D3 helps your body absorb calcium, while K2 directs that calcium into your bones and away from arteries. After using it consistently, we notice improvements in energy levels and stronger sense of immune resilience, and even less stiffness in joints. It feels like a solid support for long-term wellness. The pros are that it's non-GMO, free from unnecessary fillers, and comes in a high-potency formula that actually feels effective. The capsules are small and easy to swallow, making daily use simple. The cons are that if you're already getting a lot of sunlight and balanced diet, you may not notice dramatic differences, and it can take weeks to see real benefits. Some people might also prefer a liquid form for faster absorption. Overall, microingredients D3 plus K2 feels far from a scam. It's a legitimate supplement for heart, bone, and immune support, especially if you're deficient in D or looking for long-term health benefits. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.